A family dairy in the countryside confronts escalating feed prices and volatile milk prices, pushing them to reconsider nearly every operation. They experiment with a community-supported agriculture model, selling directly to a neighborhood co-op and local restaurants. The shift cuts middlemen, stabilizes cash flow, but demands new branding, cold storage upgrades, and a learning curve. A focused data drive tracks daily yields, waste, and transit times, revealing hidden costs and sharper pricing. By year-end, the farm reports steadier margins and a renewed sense of mission as a resilient local supplier.